What's the password, sir?
Mama,
Yes?
can I tell you something?
Nope, not without the password.
Like,
Alright, what's the password?
Mommy, you're the best cook in the world.
Oh, thank you. Say it louder.
Mommy, you're the best cook in the world.
Scream it.
Mama, you're the best cook in the world.
Alright, come on in the magic school bus.
I did not want to come.
Oh.
Like, I just needed to tell you that I'm not coming. I just want a battery for my Jeep.
Oh. Okay, we got to say that another password then. So I love you so much.
Okay. And wait, that's the password.
What's the password, sir?
How about the password can be, Mama, you have the best mama in the world. How about that?
What is the password?
Mama, you are the best mama in the world.
I'm the best lawnmower in the world?
So,
I have the best lawnmower in the world?
like,
Oh, I love